Meaning of Gullah.
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 Gullah. The term Gullah refers to both a unique ethnic group and a distinct dialect of English spoken primarily in the lowcountry regions of Georgia and South Carolina in the United States. The Gullah people are descendants of enslaved West Africans who were brought to the region to work on rice plantations during the 18th and 19th centuries. Today, their language and culture continue to flourish, shaping the region's rich cultural heritage. The Gullah dialect is characterized by its African linguistic influences and has been recognized as a distinct and valuable part of American cultural heritage.